Find the value of k if the quadratic equations has real roots. So this is 2x squared minus 5x minus k equal to 0. We compare it with general equation. So on comparing, we see that a will be equal to 2, b minus 5, and c equal to minus k. Roots are real. That's a condition given to us, are real. If roots are real, that means the d is greater than or equal to 0. And we know the d is b square minus 4ac greater than equal to 0. Our b is minus 5. So minus 5 square 4ac. This is a and this is our c. So a and c greater than equal to 0. Minus 5 into minus 5, 25. This works out to be plus 8k greater than equal to 0. If we go ahead, and will be minus 25, so greater than equal to minus 25 over 8. So this is your answer. Find the value of k if the quadratic equation has real and equal roots. So this is a quadratic, and we need to compare with a square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now I'm comparing, our a here will be 1. Now the b will be this, that is minus 2k plus 1. The c will be equal to k square. Now roots are given equal, and real. If they're equal and real, means d equal to 0. And we know the value of d is b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Now let's put b square. This is our b square. Minus 2k plus 1 square. 4ac. So this is the a, and here is c. So ac equals 0. Now minus 2 the whole square will be 4. So this is k plus 1 minus 4k square equals 0. We take 4 common out. So when we take 4 common out, what remains is k plus 1 the whole square. Now 4 is taken common out, so only k square will remain here. So equals to 0. Now we ignore the 4 because we've taken it common out. So k plus 1 the whole square minus k square equal to 0. This 4 is ignored. Now we open the bracket. A plus b the whole square, a square, b square, 2ab minus k square equals 0. This cancels out. So now we have 2k plus 1 equals to 0, 2k equal to minus 1, and then k equal to minus 1 by 2. So this is our answer. This is our next one. Same, the roots are real. We have to find the value of k. We open the brackets. So we multiply here like this. So we get here 2kx plus k into k square minus k plus 2 equals 0. Now we need to compare with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So let's a, now this will be my a. So a will be 1. This will be b, the x, coefficient of the x term. And this entire thing will be my c. So b, 2k, c is a long term. How do you recognize c? The terms that don't have the x is c. Now, if you notice here, all these terms don't have x, k square, k plus 2 don't have the x. They are the c terms. The one that have got x is a b term, and the one that's got x square is the a term. Now here roots are given equal and real. That means d is equal to 0. And we know our d is b square minus 4ac equals to 0. Now b square, where is our b? This is our b. So b square minus 4, this is a, and this entire thing is c. So a c equals 0. A is 1 and c is k square minus k plus 2. So 2k the whole square is 4k square. 4 into 1 is 4. We open here, it is k square minus k plus 2 equals 0. So 4k square, now I open the bracket, so I get 4k square minus 4 minus k plus 4k minus 4 plus 2 minus 8 equals 0. I can cancel this out, plus 4k square minus 4k square. So I plus 4k minus 8 equals 0. 4k equal to 8. So k equal to 8 by 4, k equal to 2. So the answer is k equals to 2. Now this is the next one. Now if you notice here, the equation is not arranged properly. What do you mean by arranged properly? All the x squared terms should be together, all the x terms together, and the constant terms together. So this is one x squared term and this is one x squared term. We have to put it together. This is an x term and this is an x term, and we need to put that together also. So we put the x squared terms together. So minus 4x squared, this minus 4x will become plus 4x squared. So we are done with the x squared terms. Now it's time to put the x terms together. So this is one x term and here is another x term. So plus x plus 1 equals 0. Now from these two terms, I'm going to take x squared common out. So if I take x squared common out, what remains inside is k plus 4. Here too I'm going to take x common out. So what remains inside is x plus 1. Plus 1 equals 0. Now since I've written it in proper form, I now compare with, so when I compare with the general equation ax squared plus bx plus c, this will be my a. So a k plus 4. My b is the x term. This is my x term. So this is b. So b k plus 1. And the non-x term is c. So c is 1. Here again roots are real and equal. Real and equal means d equal to 0. That is b square. 4ac equals to 0. So b square is here, k plus 1 the whole square, 4ac, a and c. So k plus 4 equal to 0. So let's solve this. So k plus 1 the whole square, a plus b the whole square, a square, b square plus 2ab. I open the bracket here, minus 4k minus 16 equals 0. So this is 4k square. These two terms I need to add up, which I get minus 2k, and now I got to put 1 and minus 16 together, and that would give me minus 15. I do the middle term split. I need to split minus 2k, and I split minus 2k into k square minus 3k. It is not 3k, it should be 5k, so I get 15 plus 3k minus 15 equals 0. So here I take common out from these two terms, and the common out will be k. So what remains behind? K minus 5. Now from these two terms I take common out plus 3. So that what will remain is k minus 5 equal to 0. So I have k minus 5 and k plus 3 equals 0. So k minus 5 equals 0, or k plus 3 equals 0. K equal to 5 or k equal to minus 3. So my answers are 5 or minus 3. Now this is the next one. It's a rather long sum. So we first need to put it in order, means put all the x square terms together, the x terms and the constant terms. So let us first open the brackets. So I'm just writing this as it is. Now I'm opening the brackets. I'm multiplying k into the entire bracket. So k into 4x square is 4kx square. Then k into minus 2x is minus 2kx. K into minus 1 is minus k equal to 0. I'm going to put all the x square together. This is x square and this is x square term. So I'll put that together. So this is 5x square plus 4kx square. And next I'm going to put the x term. So this is one x term. This is the other x term. So I'll put that together. So it will become minus 4x minus 2kx. And then I'm left with the 2 and the minus k. So I put that together equal to 0. Now from both these x square terms, from here both these x square terms, I will take x square common out. So what remains inside is 5 plus 4k. Now from both these x terms, I will take plus x common out. So what remains inside is 4 minus 4 minus 2k. And these two terms, there's nothing to take common out, so I write it as it is. So let me write my equation again properly. So 5 plus 4k, this is with x square. And I have minus 4 minus 2k, this is with the x plus 2 minus k. Now I have put my quadratic equation in order. I put the x square terms together, the x terms and the 2 minus k terms, which means this now will be my a term, this will be my b, and this will be my c. So on comparing, I will write a equal to 5 plus 4k, which is the coefficient of x square, b equal to minus 4 minus 2k, coefficient of b, coefficient of x, and c equal to 2 minus k. Now roots are real and equal. If the roots are real and equal, that means d equals to 0 and b square minus 4ac equals 0. Now for b square, we know our b is this will be a b square, so I'll write b square here, minus 4 minus 2k minus 4ac, this is my a and this is my c. So 5 plus 4k and c 2 minus k equals 0. Now from the first term here, I'm going to take minus 2 common out. Minus 2 common out, so will this become 2 plus k. And remember, it is the whole square, this whole square, this square here. So we have minus 4. Here we open the bracket. 5 into 2 minus k will be 10 minus 5k. 4k into 2 will be 8k minus 4k square equals 0. So this is what we've got. Now minus 2, the whole square is 4. Minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4. So 2 plus k, 4. I'll write the 10 here. These two, if I put together, becomes plus 3k. And here I have minus 4k square equal to 0. Now again, it's time to take common out. This time I'm taking 4 common out. So I write 4 here. And if I open the bracket, I will get now 2 plus k, the whole square. The 4 is gone out, so it's 10 plus 3k minus 4k square equals 0. I can ignore the 4 because I've taken it common out. So I have 2 plus k, the whole square. I open this bracket, minus 3k plus 4k square equals 0. Now a plus b, the whole square, a square, b square, 2ab, that will be 4k. So minus 10, I copy this as it is, plus 4k square equal to 0. So I'll put my k terms together. This is the k square and this is k square. I put them together. So k square plus 4k square. I put the k terms together, 4k and this, so plus 4k minus 3k. And then I'll put these two terms together. It is 2 square, that is 4, minus 10 equals 0. So k square plus 4k square is 5k square. Plus 4k minus 3k is plus k here. Here is minus 6 equal to 0. Now this is a middle term split. So for 5k square, for plus k, I'm going to put plus 6k minus 5k. I'm doing middle term split for this. I know what should the product be? 4 and 6. So product 5 and 6, that is minus 30. And the sum should be 1 here. So sum should be 1. So again I repeat, for the k I put 6k minus 5k. Now it's time to take common out from these two. That will be k. So what will remain here? 5k plus 6. From here minus 1. 5k plus 6 equals 0. So I have 5k plus 6 and here k minus 1 equals 0. 5k plus 6 equals 0. K is minus 6 by 5, or k minus 1 equals 0, k equal to 1. So your answer will be k equal to minus 6 by 5 or 1.